Man shot and succumbed to injuries near bank in Montego Bay, St. James. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Investigators from the St. James Police Division are probing Friday's shooting death of a man near a JN Bank on the busy commercial plaza in Montego Bay, St. James. The police have not yet disclosed the identity of the deceased. Reports are that late Friday morning, the man was attacked by unknown assailants who opened fire on him, hitting him multiple times as he left a business establishment. The targeted individual died on the spot. No motive has yet been established for this latest attack in Montego Bay. The Montego Bay police are investigating. This has been Links 007 TV News Report, and we will continue to track this story and provide with more information to come on this. Thanks for watching.